Okay, so today we're unlocking a Nintendo 3DS XL that has been locked with a parental control pin that we don't have. So what we're doing is, showing you that it's locked. So first step we want to do is go to the parental control, hit the forgot pin button, then go all the way to the bottom, hit the I forgot, and it's going to give you an inquiry number for the master key. So we're going to go on the internet. We're going to type in this website. I will put the link in the description. It's called My Key Generator. Okay, so we're going to type in the inquiry number right here. That Nintendo 3DS gave us. After we're done typing it in, we'll hit we'll change the system date, which is on top of your Nintendo 3DS, which mine is 5/19. We'll put that there and hit the go button. It will generate us a master key, which we will use. We'll type that in and it will allow us access to do a full factory reset. And that is it. Now we're able to do a full factory reset to the Nintendo 3DS. Thank you. Like, subscribe, and we'll check you out later.